Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen if you're a regular. Today I'm going to bring you a delicious dessert from Cuba and Latin America called Guava Flan or Flan de Guayaba. Hola mis cariños, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo un rico postre de Cuba y Latinoamérica, se llama Flan de Guayaba. And for the ingredients I'm using, 5 eggs, half a pack of guava paste, 1 can of evaporated milk, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 cup of sugar for the caramel sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're going to blend up all the ingredients. I cut up the guava paste, and now I'm going to add it to the blender, and then I'm going to add all the milks and eggs into the blender. Me corté la guayaba en cubitos para mezclar más fácil, y yo también voy a echar el resto de los ingredientes. Be careful when you're adding in the condensed milk, because it has a lot of sugar as well as the guava paste. Tenga cuidado con la leche condensada porque tiene mucho azúcar. So now we're adding the eggs, añadimos los huevos y después la vanilla and the vanilla. Ahora le voy a poner la tapa y mezclar la leche hasta que consistencia suavecita. So now I'm covering it up and I'm going to blend it until everything is smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to start making our caramel sauce. And the caramel sauce only consists of 2 things. 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. En esta ollita voy a hacer nuestro caramelo. Le voy a poner 1 taza de azúcar y 4 tazas de agua. When your caramel sauce turns to a light brown, then you know it's ready. You want to remove it from the stove so it doesn't continue to get dark. Tú sabrás cuando el caramelo está listo, cuando el color cambia a color amarillo. So now I'm going to pour the caramel sauce in our mold. Voy a echar el caramelo en nuestro molde. Now you want to coat the mold with the caramel sauce. Vamos a echar el caramelo en el molde y cubre los lados con el caramelo. So now we're ready to cook our flan in a pressure cooker. I'm adding 5 cups of water to this pot and I'm going to cook it for 25 minutes. Ok, le puse 5 tazas de agua en la olla a presión y vamos a cocinarlo por 25 minutos más o menos. So now I'm just going to check on my flan to see what it looks like, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Ok, vamos a ver cómo quedó. Wow, qué bonito. Ok, voy a poner en la nevera por 4 horas o el día siguiente. So now we're going to use a knife just to loosen the edges up so that the flan doesn't break when we turn it. Okay, vamos a voltearlo. Crucemos los dedos. Wow, miren cómo quedó. This looks absolutely beautiful. Vamos a decorar nuestro flan con una rabanada de guayaba. So we're going to decorate our flan with some guava slices. And here it is, my beautiful flan. Y aquí tiene mi bonito flan. So now I'm going to take a slice so you guys can see how it looks inside. Quedó perfecto, delicioso y suave. It turned out perfect. It's really delicious and it's really smooth. Well guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos.